The northern lights is in full bloom right now. Yes, you can see that is pinkish. And here it's about 12:10 in the morning right now, and that is northern lights. I'll share some pictures because you can see it clearly in the pictures, but in the video it's a little bit, see, it's purple. It's the northern lights. Over there's a lot. Miles is on top of the hill, but here, oh my god, that's amazing. So, yan lang po. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo kasi napaka-amazing ng Northern Lights. Hindi na namin kailangang pumunta ng ibang lugar. Nandito lang ako sa park. Dito sa amin. Dito ako nanonood ng Northern Lights dancing. This morning at 1 AM, May 11.